केवल युद्ध के मैदान में आगे बढ़ते हुए बख्तरबंद गाड़ियों में आई खराबी को ठीक करने में दक्षता का प्रदर्शन करती है।
Faced with an obstruction, instead of stopping in their tracks, the team takes a split-second decision. Their actions will speak volumes of their resolve towards successful completion of the task entrusted to them. The nerves of steel in a high-pressure situation and the quality training they undergo. The Maruti Gypsy, dismantled up to the chassis, level and assembled back to running condition in a cohesive and sequential manner. This vehicle weighs about 1.2 tons. The half-ton engine block, which is otherwise lifted using a pulley and chain system in a workshop, is lifted manually by our foot soldiers, carried over rough terrain and put in place without affecting the serviceability.
तकनीकी कुशलता, एकाग्रता, गति एवं समन्वय का संयोजन हमें यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है।
There is no mountain high enough, no canyon deep enough, nor a river wide enough to keep an air warrior from accomplishing the task ahead of him. If the boulder cannot be moved, the vehicle will. Watch closely as the team unmoves by the hindrance blocking their paths, proceeds to take part their transport, carry it literally piece by piece, assemble it and continue towards their objective. The drill displays the quick and crisp movements of the trainees and their ability to perform accurately within the constraints of time. The speciality of this drill is that the entire activity is performed by a group of young air warriors who have just passed out from the training institution. Participants of the drill are LAC Rohit Kumar, LAC Ankush Singh, AC Vishal Singh, AC Lavdeep Singh, AC Sahil Nehra, AC Anmol Tyagi, AC Pankaj Barwar, AC Ranjan Sharma, AC Yogesh, AC Ace Rathore, AC SK Sharma and AC Banti Singh.
पूरी कुशलता और तल्लीनता के साथ काम कर इन योद्धाओं ने 1.2 टन वजनी वाहन को पुनः जोड़ दिया है। तालियों के साथ उनकी हौसला अफजाई करते हुए दर्शक और अतिथिगण।
Team successfully completed assembling of the vehicle